Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In many situations, we have to transfer data between our mobile and our computer. For that purpose, we have to use the USB cables or some wireless transfer applications like ShareIt, Extend or something like that. But in some situations, we forget the USB cables and sometimes difficult to establishing the connection between the applications. So forget all these problems. In this video, I am going to show that the most simple and easiest way to transfer your files from your mobile to computer. Open the Play Store in your Android mobile and type FTP Server. And you can see the first result Wi-Fi FTP Server. And open it and just install it. So I have already installed it in my mobile. So I'm going to open that. After open it, you will get a simple interface like this. There is a start option and get the pro version if you need a ad-free service. After installing the Wi-Fi FTP server, you just open your mobile hotspot and on it and connect your PC or laptop through the mobile hotspot. We are using the wireless transfer, so we have to connect through the Wi-Fi network. It does not need any internet connections. After establishing the mobile hotspot connection, you just open the Wi-Fi FTP server and click the start button. After clicking the start button, you just give the permissions. After that, you will get a screen like this, and there you can see that server URL. You just notice the server URL address. We need this address to create a connection between your computer and mobile. After that, go to the My Computer and just click the right button, and there you can see a option. Add a network location, just click it, and after clicking that you will get a setup wizard like this. Welcome to the network location wizard. Just click next. In next step you will get an address bar. Here we have to enter the URL address which we mentioned earlier. Just type that address. Type the address exactly what you put in the FTP mobile app. I already used that address, so I am just click on it. After entering the address, just click next. In this step you will get an option to enter your username or password if you need or required. Otherwise you can just log on anonymously. If you do so, your IP address will be the network location name. Otherwise you can rename it. So I am going to give a name that is my mobile. So I type the name my mobile, then click next and then click finish. So suddenly it will open your mobile internal storage as it is, like you will see in the file manager in your mobile. So every folders and every details exact same as in the your mobile file manager. We can transfer any files between the mobile to the computer or computer to the mobile. So now we will copy a video file from the mobile memory and we will transfer to the computer, and then we will check the rate of speed or transferring speed, how it will be. This is one file in the phone memory. It is around 350 MB in size. We will copy from here and we will paste into the desktop. And now you can see that the data transfer speed is normally as usual we are using in any Wi-Fi network, or we are using data transfer in the USB cable. The same method we can use to transfer data from the computer to the mobile. Just copy from the computer and paste it into the phone memory. So I am going to play the copied file. Just we can see that copy is properly or not. Copied file is working perfectly. You can access your mobile storage from the My Computer. So that go to the My Computer and there you can see that your mobile in the network location area. This is one of the simple method of wireless file transferring. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell again. Thank you for watching.